So the Women in Super project started in 2022 at the PIIF CEO Forum when PSDI presented the findings of a diagnostic study on women in super, looking at what were some of the legislative, regulatory and policy and organisational barriers to women participating equally in retirement funds. So at that meeting there was agreement from the CEOs that there would be 3 priority areas they were looking at, which was sex disaggregated data, access to the informal economy and financial literacy. So from there was agreement to set up a working group, and that working group comprised of 5 or 6 funds who nominated somebody to be part of that, and they worked together to do a survey of where all the funds were at in that process, and then they presented a series of recommended resolutions that were adopted by the CEO at the AGM in 2023. So where we've been this week is we've had the first ever Women in Super workshop where we've had representatives of 12 different member funds, and we've come together for 2 days, and what we've really looked at is where are we at in terms of progress towards those resolutions, and then that will be reported at the next CEO forum where we might look at expanding into new areas.